Hello, Ivan, Old School Automotive. Well, I fixed these wires somehow. How did I do it? I took apart, that's how it was broken. I took apart the connector, slide this thing, pulled it out, simply kind of screwed them together, put them back in a connector. I mean, in reality, probably should have soldered them or something, but I was not sure if they are gonna fit inside, because when you solder them, it's not gonna give you any flex to push them in. So they went inside, it works. It's got no codes, no lights about the brakes, but found another issue. This thing. That's your rear left window. Okay, somebody has been working on this window. They got auto market piece of switch. So since I don't have the wiring diagram, I pulled the other switch, check the wirings. It's got everything except lean signal. That green wire, it was missing here. So what I found, I pulled this plug. That's where they usually break, here on the bend, and there you go. That was a broken lean wire inside of this bend. Now, as far as the switch, I just first what I did, I checked the motor. Well, first what I did, I tried this switch, but before I found the wire, and nothing worked. I thought maybe it's a different switch, so I've tried to jump the motor. You have to jump when it's disconnected, this and that, and I mean, yeah, pretty much 2 and 2 at the same time to make it up and down. Or if you got a switch, you can do it like that, but it does need that lean signal, the switch, to be working. So I did try this switch on the other side, it doesn't work, so it's a auto market piece of junk. So it needs a switch, and it needs a wiring repair right here. That's it. So in reality, it's very simple to diagnose. All you need is a tester like that on this wire. That's what you expect to see on the lean wire. Nothing. Yeah, these two probably gonna be the ground. This one is gonna be the power. This one is gonna be the ground. And these two, I think they go to the motor. That's what I'm saying, is when you jump, you got to connect the ground either to one of these. I mean, you kind of have to jump them. You can jump them to check the motor, but whatever. The lean wire, that's this one. That's the one that sets the code. And that's what you're gonna see if you're just using a tester like that. Of course, if you're using a scope, you're gonna see a interesting, more detailed information. But that's, in reality, that's all you need. So that's the whole issue with this code. All right, thank you.